Actually, it was a she.
She. So we had a fight actually.
You had a
So
fight.
my colleague, he was playing, and I said, we find accordingly.
Kiss
But DJ is not playing good music. So she is afraid, very unexpected, of being drunk. A guy who doesn't drink is drunk, is high on drugs. And that's what she
Oh
was
my
telling me. And
God.
she was complaining and all. Then she started forcing me to kiss her.
और
And मेरा ऐसा था कि मैं बहुत फॉर्मल रहता था.
ये के सुपर स्टार
आपको कैसे पता चला मैं बिहारी हूँ?
Hello there.
So hey guys, welcome to another episode and what a guest I have for you tonight. We met 4 years back and little did I know that he will be on this show tonight on the 6th of February 2021. Well, there are a lot of special things about this guy. He does not drink, he does not smoke and he's a vegetarian. Well, you'll be like, Shubham, ये तो बहुत normal चीज़ है. There are a lot of people like him around the world. But that's not the case. The case is his profession. This guy is a DJ and he does not drink, he does not smoke and he's a vegetarian. He was one of NCR's first video DJs, aka VDJ, and he has played in numerous amount of parties, clubs and private events. So without a further ado, let's call upon Saurabh aka VDJ Saurabh. Welcome my friend, welcome to the show. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice.
After
How
such a
is-
long time.
After such a long time. So say hi to the live audience.
Hi.
Hi. देखो production cost. हाँ तो ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हैं. बस एक hi.
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 Yes. Someday we will have a proper live audience with at least 2 people. So hi DJ Saurabh, how are you?
Good.
कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ?
Pandemic चल रहा है.
Pandemic चल रहा है. But अभी तो थोड़ा सा do you think Delhi का state थोड़ा सा better हो गया है?
The state of mind is better.
हाँ, but the
Rest
virus
है-
is still out there.
It's still as usual.
Right. So again, guys, this is Saurabh. He is a video DJ. He has been playing in numerous amounts of clubs throughout the NCR for how many years?
Almost a decade now.
Almost a decade. मैं कितने साल का था?
Could be plus or minus.
Alright. I was like 16 years old, and this guy has been playing since then.
More.
He's not that. How? Okay, what's your age?
32.
Does he look 32 to you? 31 साल का लगते हैं क्या ये?
बिल्कुल. अब तो बच्चे भी अंकल बोल के जाते हैं, पहले भैया बोलते थे.
नहीं, I don't think so. भाई.
It happens.
नहीं.
Once you'll be in your 30s, you'll get used to it. You'll not like it first, but then you'll get used to it.
नहीं, अगर मेरे को कोई आके अंकल बोला ना.
You can't do anything.
हाँ, you can't do anything. So what do you do? What do you say to them? Okay, Saurabh. So where did your journey of music start?
When I did my 12th, as in professionally, because I wanted to be a DJ since my 10th grade,
Okay.
because it was the only thing I could do with the music. I used to love music. I wanted to do something with the music, but I couldn't because my voice so much distorted. So this was the only thing I could do, and I wanted to do something with the music. So I decided to go on for DJ. So once my 12th, I have given recently. I had given my paper and I asked my dad, "I want to do DJ. I want to play music." He said, "Okay."
So you thought since the beginning कि आपको music industry में जाना है?
Yeah, exactly.
Be it anything.
It was not always about DJing. I
Okay.
wanted to do something with the music,
Okay.
and it was the only thing I could do. Because one can play some instrument, but for that the seed should be rooted in the very beginning, like in the very early age, which never happened with me.
Okay.
So I couldn't play any instrument.
Okay.
then I got to know there is a thing called DJing where you play already recorded music. So I decided to do this.
Oh, that's nice. Even when you thought कि यार because एक वो होता है ना, being in the music industry, you want to play an instrument or you can sing, be a part of that way. You found an alternative.
Yeah.
And again, I think it's because of the love of music.
Yeah, exactly. That was the cool one.
That's cool. At what exact age, या जैसे 10th 12th होता है, 10th में पता चल गया था कि मेरे को इसी लाइन में जाना है?
हाँ 10th में पता चल गया था because I'm from a very small town.
Okay.
It is a very small district town in Bihar, Buxar. Buxar is the exact place.
Okay.
So I was there. My family was there. So I was studying there. तो जो मेरे relatives होते थे, जैसे मेरे ताऊ जी हैं, the very close relative. So we used to visit Delhi in our summer holidays.
Okay.
So for summer holidays, for good 1 month, we used to come to Delhi from Buxar.
Okay.
And here we used to stay with our uncle.
Okay.
So this is when I got to know about DJing.
Okay.
I was in 9th grade.
Okay.
And there was a DJ called DJ Bali Sagu. Basically he's a producer but he's also a DJ.
Yeah.
So he's a very celebrated producer, Punjabi, because he's one of the pioneer who got this UK Punjabi scene in Delhi NCR.
Okay.
Which is now very much prominent with all hip hop thing into Punjabi. See, this was the guy. So मेरे जो cousins थे, they used to listen his tracks. उस समय there was an album called Dance and Romance with Bali Sagu. So मैंने वो music सुना. I liked the music.
What kind of genre was that?
It was Punjabi.
Okay.
But what we now call UK Punjabi.
UK Punjabi. अच्छा,
more
हाँ,
of
समझ गया मैं.
urban hip hop
Urban
elements
hip-hop,
into it.
Punjabi.
हाँ.
MC
Punjabi MC
and
तो
all that.
those were the artists. उसी समय एक ना बड़ी मतलब movie थी. It was a bomb movie.
Okay.
Couldn't do much on
On the box office.
on the box office. Boom.
अच्छा.
So, but it had a very beautiful soundtrack with all this experimental music back then in 2002, 2003, I believe.
Okay.
तो उसमें क्या था कि उसमें there was a track called Dance with You. It was an international track by Rishi Rich, Jay Sean.
हाँ मेरे को ध्यान में आ रहा
मैं तो तेरे नाल नचूंगा वो ज़्यादा पता है, but it's an international R&B, UK R&B number with Punjabi element into it.
Okay.
Then again there was a track by Punjabi MC. Again it's a very big track. Very few people know. They think it as a Bollywood number or Indian number, but it's an international number.
Okay.
It made that big in those days. They had Jay-Z featured on that track. There's a remix of the track in which Jay-Z is featured.
Okay.
It's called Be Aware of the Boys.
I think I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. So these were the tracks. And I thought, music is cool. Then I started listening to it. Then I got to know that Punjabi MC is also a DJ. Bali Sagu is also a DJ. So basically, DJ is also someone who is associated with music. Then मेरे को again I started feeling that I can play music because I like music. And what I thought, maybe I'm wrong, but I thought that my track selection could please people.
And that's the main role of the DJ.
And that is the thing what a DJ do. He plays recorded music.
Yeah.
According to the mood of the crowd. That's what I do. That's what most of the DJs do. This is where I started thinking about DJing. I went back. I used to tell my friends about this thing. They used to laugh. ये होता ही क्या?
ये DJ क्या होता है?
ये है ही क्या? हाँ, ये क्या होता है?
DJ क्या होता है? Even till now, or I would say 5 to 7, 8 years back, this sort of profession, I don't think it was looked upon as a career option. You know,
the same thing happened. This is what.
वैसे तो I think हर creative field के लिए यही होता है.
यही होता है.
पर assumption नहीं होता है.
पर डिजाइन के साथ तो दो नेगेटिव है ना. हाफ ऑफ द पीपल थिंक कि वो शादी में होता एंड अदर हाफ थिंक कि यार ये तो शौक की चीज है. आप इसे हाउ कैन यू बाय योर ब्रेड.
डीजे वाले भाई मेरा गाना बजा दो.
हाँ तो ये तो दोनों तरफ से नेगेटिव. एक उसको बिल्कुल शौक का समझते हैं, एक उसको बिल्कुल ही बेकार
समझते हैं. सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन फेजेस इन म्यूजिक. हाउ डिड यू अडैप्ट फ्रॉम एवरी एरा? मतलब ऐसे बोलते हैं कि लाइक एक हिप हॉप एरा हुआ करता था, फिर पॉप थोड़ा हुआ, या पहले पॉप था फिर हिप हॉप हुआ, then you had like dubsteps, drum steps, and then right now again with some back to hip hop or pop again. So how did the things change for you, or didn't it?
Basically, what happens? People think about pop as a genre. Pop is anything which is popular. Pop is popular music.
Okay.
Which is popular? It could be hip hop. It could be new disco. It could be a disco. It could be a regular trap. But if it is popular, it is pop music. So pop is something which is consistent since 70s, 80s. Because 70s से पहले तो बहुत ही मतलब एक
Old era music
होता था, आपका रॉक एंड रोल होता था, सोल होता था, जैज होता था, क्लासिकल्स होते थे. But when music actually started evolving post late 70s, early 80s, जब disco आया, new wave आया, music evolve होना शुरू हो गया, multiple genres used to get into scene and all. So started evolving actually. तो era था, 80s was disco era. But again, disco was pop music. Back then it was pop music. For 90s, what we call 90s is again 90s pop music. Pop music, the music which became popular in 90s became pop 90s music. Same is the thing. तो 90s में क्या हुआ कि hip hop भी आया. Hip hop initially start तो rock से ही हुआ. Rock, soul, उसमें vocal sampling and all. It all started फिर वहाँ से hip hop शुरू हुआ. So what we now know as hip hop is pop for the moment, because अभी again hip hop is back in literally 2000 में hip hop बिल्कुल
2000 में I still think it 2003-4 तक फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत था.
हाँ. लेकिन आप देखोगे ना तो जो majority of genres हो गए, जैसे आपका hip hop हो गया, आप जिसको pop बोलते हो, ये हो गया, ये ना throughout जब से आए since their inception, it is there in trend, मरे नहीं. जो न्यूअर म्यूजिक है ना, जो बिल्कुल आपको लगेगा कि डिफरेंट, जो एकदम न्यू एरा म्यूजिक है, EDM एंड ट्रैप. ट्रैप इज अगेन EDM म्यूजिक ओनली, और EDM इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डांस म्यूजिक, जिसका पुराना फॉर्म ऑलरेडी टेक्नो, ट्रांस, दे आर आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ EDM म्यूजिक बिकॉज़ दे आर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूजिक. हाँ, तो ये लोग हैं. लेकिन जो ये जैसे डब स्टेप हो गया, तो ये दे आर एक्चुअली न्यू जॉनर्स. ये अभी इवॉल्व हुआ है आपको लेट 2000 में, अर्ली 2010s हो गया, आप समझ लो 2012 हो गया, आपको ये इवॉल्व हुआ है.
So how did you like when you started playing and how did that phase change? उसमें भी कोई changes?
हाँ, म्यूजिक में चेंज हुआ ना. When I started DJing, like I used to be a hip hop guy.
Okay.
मतलब शुरुआत पंजाबी हिप हॉप से हुआ था.
I get it. Yeah.
Then I got into hip hop. I started liking hip hop. मैं फिर hip hop सुनने लगा. So when I started DJing, I thought कि I'll be playing hip hop music for the people. But my first job was a rock joint.
अच्छा.
Very high end place जहाँ पे it was very first micro breweries there, because आप सबको पता होगा now brewery is a trend.
By the way, the first place we met was in Vapor Bar Exchange, Gurgaon, which is closed now. But this guy used to light up the night because हमारे भी यार थोड़े specific गाने थे जो मुझे पसंद थे. And you used to play that. I was like, who is this guy? Okay. Then I got to know him. First time, second time I went there, he was playing again. Third time, and then we exchanged.
But what I believe is it was not all about music. It was about people also, because in Sector 29 there was very old saying कि आप Bollywood नहीं चलाओगे तो लोग dance नहीं करेंगे. And then I came to know कि no, there are still few people there. There are people who listens to good music. It's not about only playing Western. Bollywood is equally good. Bollywood is equally good. I am not saying Bollywood is bad. So, but लोग का था कि हाँ यहाँ पे तो बॉलीवुड चलाओगे, यहाँ तो देसी गाने चलाओगे तो ही लोग डांस करेंगे. This is what I heard. Then I joined this place. It's a very new place. Then I saw people कि नहीं, there are people who listen to different music as well. वहाँ पे हम रॉक भी चलाते थे. We used to play hip hop. We used to play EDM, house music, everything. We used to play all sort of music. हाँ, ये था कि बॉलीवुड नहीं चलाते थे. तो चलाया हमने. We had crowd. We played. तो it was people and the music all together, plus the place, the concept we had of bar exchange, plus drinks were good,
right,
service was excellent.
Service was good.
So overall the place lit up because of people, the environment, the DJ, the staff and everyone.
But again, if there was no music, it won't be the same scenario.
So music is a part of service, right?
Yeah. Right.
We are not celebrity DJ. We don't
But yeah,
do
you
events
did
and all.
your job well.
So
अब मैं तारीफें करूंगा
पर
उसका
लोग भी तो अच्छे आते थे ना, दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव.
हाँ वो भी है
If you go to 29 right now,
right
let's not get into this.
let's not get
into this.
this talk can go on for hours especially about sector 29
But what I believe in Vapor, particularly that place, we used to get good people.
yeah
Good people creates good vibes.
yeah
डीजे को भी मजा तभी प्ले करने में आता है जब लोगों को लगता है कि हाँ दे आर एक्नॉलेजिंग योर म्यूजिक. वरना तो शादी में भी म्यूजिक चला के चला ही जाता है और डीजे लोग नाच ही लेते हैं. पर नेक्स्ट डे डीजे भी सोचता है कि मेरा रोज का ही काम है और लोग भी भूल जाते हैं.
okay so when was your first gig
फर्स्ट गए एज ए डीजेइंग
as a DJ
एज अ डीजे
yeah
एज इन लाइक एज अ डीजे
Like,
बिगर स्टेज और कि पहली बार कहाँ प्ले किया था.
where was the first place you played like for the first time anywhere
Anyway, हाँ it is a very small place called Scape in Greater Noida.
okay
There's a small shopping complex called Jagat Farm.
okay
So and there's a restaurant called Yellow Chilies by
Okay.
the celebrity chef I believe Rajiv Sanjeev, some celebrity chef.
नहीं कुछ और
हाँ but there's some celebrity chef जो टीवी में पहले एडवर्टीजमेंट में बहुत आते थे.
okay
So he has this chain of restaurant called Yellow Chilies. So Yellow Chilies का ही उनका एक Yellow Chilies used to be fine dining restaurant. उसके ऊपर उनका ना एक पब एरिया होता था.
okay
तो वहाँ पे एक स्केप करके जगह होती थी. तो आई यूज टू विजिट माई मामा
अच्छा
इन ग्रेटर नोएडा.
okay
उस समय आई हैव जस्ट कंप्लीटेड माई डीजेइंग कोर्स विच आई डिड फॉर 15 days.
okay
एंड उस समय तक कभी कहीं ज्वाइन नहीं किया था. एंड लाइक बिफोर दैट आई नेवर प्लेड एज अ प्रोफेशनल डीजे. I was there. Then he told me कि अरे यहाँ भी club है. I went there to see that place. So there's a guy called DJ Riyaj.
okay
So this is why I credit him as the very first guy who has given me any platform. Because I worked with him for a very small period of time. उसके बाद हमने कभी साथ में काम भी नहीं किया. इनफैक्ट मिलना भी बहुत मुश्किल ही होता है because ग्रेटर नोएडा एंड दिल्ली में कोई जाने आने वाला सीन है. I met him. I told him that I'm a DJ. तो उन्होंने कहा वो you're a DJ, why don't you come and play? I said कि I just did my course. तो मैं अभी मतलब कि I'm not that great and all. In fact मैं शायद 2 गाने सीरियसली चला भी ना पाऊँ.
अच्छा
उसने कहा कोई बात नहीं, till the time you're in Greater Noida, come and when you feel like playing you can come and play.
मतलब
He offered me.
with all open arms
हाँ he offered me.
okay
So I went there and then I realized I know nothing about DJing. Just the equipment knowledge I have.
okay
Just the theoretical knowledge I have.
तो अच्छा नहीं किया वो
It was nothing. I
It was
I
nothing.
couldn't play even 2 tracks.
okay
हाँ so वो भी प्लेयर जो था ना जिस पे मैंने सीखा था उससे भी प्रिमिटिव प्लेयर था with no nothing to guide you digitally.
okay
So you know it's always when it comes to DJing or any art, जितना आप टेक्नोलॉजी से दूर जाओगे ना उतने आपके स्किल्स की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. You know it's much easier to make designs on computer these days. जो पहले आर्किटेक्ट करते थे वो ज़्यादा टफ जॉब होता था.
हाँ everything is automated
Now a DJ can produce music, a whole track on computer.
Yeah.
पहले ना
Instruments.
इंस्ट्रूमेंट पे ना गिटार के लिए अलग बंदा होता था, ड्रम्स के लिए अलग बंदा होता था. एक बंदा बैठ के ये देखता था कि वो सीक्वेंस सही चल रही है नहीं चल रही है. तो वो बहुत एक टफ जॉब होता था उतने सारे लोगों को एक साथ लेके एक म्यूजिक बनाना. अभी तो यू कैन मेक योरसेल्फ. आप 15 दिन आप सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में पढ़ो, थोड़ा बहुत तो म्यूजिक बना ही लोगे. इट्स मच ईजियर.
you can make beats on a phone now
हाँ. This is what's happening. Everyone is an artist now.
right so yeah so you played
So he asked me to play. I couldn't play. उसने कहा भाई बहुत flaws हैं. Come and stand with me. So he used to play. I used to stand and watch.
okay
That's how I started.
That's how
फिर
you started.
एक दिन he left for his personal game. उसने कहा if you can handle my place. I said I will. And that was the day. हाँ.
VDJ Saurabh was born
Not हाँ DJ Saurabh.
DJ
हाँ
Saurabh.
VDJ creator. हाँ.
yeah VDJ came later
हाँ.
nice origin story of Saurabh on Silent News Silent Stuff. ये कहानी और कहीं सुनने को नहीं मिलेगी और किसी को बताने को नहीं मिलेगी. प्रोडक्शन और प्लेइंग.
Look, everybody knows कि now the production is a thing. you want to do something big in market, if you want to gain name, like you have to step up your game.
Yeah.
You will have to go into production. But for me, DJing is love, and what I believe I'll be sticking to DJing only. Like, I'm not pursuing production anymore.
Okay.
I do production.
Okay.
I make music. But when it comes to like my goals and all, DJing is my thing.
That's a first. Because I've met a lot of other DJs and producers. Everybody is like, we want to make our own tracks. You know, their goal is okay. They've started from playing at various places, but their main aim is to produce tracks and get into production.
They're right, because it is a step up in DJ. Becoming a producer, then you'll be a known DJ. You can become a celebrity DJ. You give one hit track, and you'll be all over the billboard, like all over the chart. You'll be heading shows and all.
Yeah.
So they're right. That's what they're doing. But when it comes, for me, playing music for live audience is a bigger deal. I myself, I'm also producing music. I'm doing this. But when it comes to DJing or production, DJing is...
You're doing it for the love
Yeah.
and the experience of
Yeah,
playing. What was your favorite gig that you did?
Look, I really enjoyed my time in Vapor. Vapor, I'm telling you, one place
Okay.
I have worked. Every Saturday night used to be like a game only. He was there.
Yeah.
So,
I was there.
That
That place used to be packed on Saturdays and kabhi to even on the
weekdays.
weekdays.
But Friday and Saturday used to be sold out.
We
You know,
never used
people-
to find place to sit. ये तो तब था कि I started going and I got to know him also कि हाँ भाई मैं तेरे टेबल करवा देता हूँ फटाफट आ जा.
But the crowd was so refined and good.
Yeah,
कि ऐसा नहीं है कि overcrowded है, मतलब कुछ भी है.
Yeah.
If you go to other places, even today, you'll
Yeah.
see places which are packed to your throat, right?
Yeah.
But
But the crowd
the
is
crowd is
not that good.
that good, yes. I'm not saying that, but not that good.
आजकल ये होने भी लगा है. मेरे को भी आजकल ये लग रहा था ट्रेंड खत्म हो गया क्या?
नहीं.
Or are people always looking for new places?
People, those places are becoming desperate.
Okay.
Couple of Saturdays, they are not getting crowd. They start taking everyone. I'm not saying everyone has right to go into a place, but still, if you want to build your place, you will have to filter the crowd.
Yeah. Tell us about your weirdest experience while playing. Weirdest, मतलब story ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि
Story तो मतलब this is something very common with the DJs. So हो सकता है for people it could be weird,
okay.
but for DJs it's very common. So it's nothing big. Couple of things happened. Like there was one time that you used to be a regular guest, right?
Yeah.
You used to love our music, the whole ambience and the place. So we had a guest like you,
Okay.
very friendly and everything. But one night she acted entirely different.
अच्छा, it was a she.
She. So we had a fight actually.
You had a
So
fight.
my colleague, he was playing absolutely fine according to the mood and everything. He was doing it all right. I entered. I got my Red Bull as usual. I don't drink, so you know. My
He
Red Bull
doesn't
was-
drink. He doesn't smoke. He's a vegetarian as a DJ. One point out.
But Red Bull.
But Red Bull.
But Red Bull, yeah. So I just took my Red Bull, got inside the console. I saw her. I greeted her. She was there with the table and all. So I don't know what happened. She started fighting.
किस
That
बात पे?
the DJ is not playing good music. Bro, she is a friend.
Okay.
Very unexpected. In fact, even if I was not playing good music, I was not playing even.
मतलब she
My
said
colleague-
कि भैया आप सही नहीं बजा रहे हो.
हाँ, आप नहीं बजा
Oh,
रहे.
shit.
तो मैं अगर नहीं भी प्ले कर रहा होता तो a friend,
हाँ.
मतलब एक गेस्ट आके कंप्लेन करे तो वो होता है.
हाँ.
वो आपको लगेगा कि हाँ यार चलो अभी तो मैं घुसा ही हूँ, इसको पता नहीं ये चीज, तो
हाँ.
ऐसा हो गया. पर फ्रेंड से तो ये होगा ना कि आएगा हाय हेलो करेगा, वो झगड़ा नहीं करने लगेगा. She started fighting and all, and then when she left, मतलब after few minutes, I also lost my cool. We got into an argument because she was accusing me of being drunk. A guy who doesn't drink is drunk, is high on drugs. That's what she
Oh
was
my
telling me, and
God.
she was complaining and all.
And how many?
And she was saying, "I'm from media. I'm gonna expose you here and there. I'm from Sony Media and all." What I told her, if you're from Sony, I have your card. Tomorrow I'm coming to your place, your company. I'm going to talk to your editor that you are creating this kind of nuisance in our place and spoiling the name of your company.
उसने फ्रूटी पी थी.
हाँ?
फ्रूटी पी थी उसने.
फ्रूटी नहीं पीते उसने तो बहुत कुछ पी रखा था उसने. So that's what. Then she got calmed down. But before leaving, she went on Zomato and written, "If I'll not reach home safely, DJ Saurabh is responsible."
Oh my God. This is that kind of a person जो नीचे रिव्यू में लिखता है ना ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं है
हाँ.
या ये अच्छा नहीं है खाना बेकार है ये वो लड़की है.
हाँ. अरे वो तो ठीक है बट डू आई लुक लाइक अ रोड साइड गून के मैं उसको रास्ते में पटक के पीट दूंगा. दैट्स व्हाट इज कि अगर हमें रास्ते में ना कुछ हो जाता है चोट लग जाती है या इफ वी आर मतलब हमें कोई हर्ट करता है या कोई मारता है डीजे सौरभ इज रिस्पांसिबल. दैट्स व्हाट शी हैज रिटन.
She wrote all of that.
हाँ इज देयर ऑन जोमेटो. अभी कभी पढ़ा होगा अगर पुराना रिव्यू तो होगा वहाँ पे.
Unnecessarily मतलब
शुरू में तो गुस्सा आया बट नाउ
Now you can laugh at it.
we laugh on
Is she
this.
going to watch the video?
Huh?
Is she going to watch the video?
Who?
Do you think?
I'm not sure because we are not in touch. So this
Just
is
send this link.
हाँ.
Send the link.
Then another incident when
She was having fruity.
she got high.
She
Then she started forcing me to kiss her.
All.
And मेरा ऐसा था कि यार मैं बहुत फॉर्मल रहता था.
एक second. She didn't like your music. She wanted to.
No, not this girl.
अच्छा,
I'm telling
दूसरे
you
इंसान. We're talking about a different girl.
हाँ. You asked me the weirdest one, so that was
अच्छा, that was weird.
This
and
was
this is also
kind of pleasing, but kind of
weird.
weird, yeah.
Okay.
So
And then you ended up marrying her.
no. ऐसा नहीं होता.
अच्छा.
So what I got to know is she is going to London the very next day.
Oh.
And her friends and like her friend she came to me and she said कि she's liking you and she wants to kiss you. It's her birthday and all like ये वो. तो मैंने उसको ये बोला कि यार ऐसे कैसे हो गया. And again I'm बुड्ढा. She was too young.
How old was she?
अच्छा
that's what you like.
So too young. अब थोड़ा सा रेस्ट में वैसे भी anyways back then I was not committed. I had no problem. But still I like a connection. There has to be a connection. We should know each other. Should go to my place. उसके बाद तो there are a lot of possibilities, you know.
Right.
Oh,
But एक वो नहीं
but in console और ऊपर से मैं थोड़ा formal वहाँ पे
अच्छा.
ऐसे भी.
हाँ, because you have so many guests coming up. But ऐसे नहीं हुआ कि like when you were done with the DJ set थोड़ा collar ऊपर की हाँ भाई.
नहीं तो this is what happened no. फिर ना मैं ना थोड़ा बच रहा था. Then there was like couple of younger DJ. You always know कि हमारे साथ लड़के होते थे friends and colleagues and juniors everyone. तो ऐसे कह रहे तो उसमें वो बोल रहे थे ना एक पीछे से ना one of my friend सौरभ सीनियर यार बोल रही है किस करने के लिए कर लो यार क्या होता है. तो then another guy said कि सौरभ सीनियर से बातें कर सकते हैं इनसे कुछ होगा नहीं. So somehow we kissed in the
अच्छा you did also.
अरे everyone was looking.
Oh,
उस दिन ना
wow.
मतलब the restaurant was at pause that I kissed her और they recorded it.
Oh shit.
हाँ अब मेरी उसके बाद we went outside. फिर मैंने उसको समझाया कि यार take it easy यार you're not doing it right because you're under influence. This is not right. We came back. फिर सब मेरे को कह रहे कि
being the humble human that you are you had to say all of that.
बेवकूफ है and all. But आगे हाँ I'm like that only. तो ये हुआ. But वो ना बड़ा मतलब weird experience ही था. तो ये लेकिन DJs के लिए इतना होता नहीं है because other DJs they are very much used to it. और मेरा सीन different है you know. घर जाओ बात करो.
He is like the monk of all DJs.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है but नहीं I also मतलब
अच्छा
मुझे भी अच्छा लगता but
हाँ.
has to be my way.
हाँ,
कि हाँ घर जा रहे पहले बात तो कर लो.
ठीक है समझ गया.
ऐसा थोड़ी ना
सही बात है. अच्छा.
वो that was quite.
But this is showing your whole nature as a human being.
नहीं क्या कह सकते हो आप यहाँ पे इसको ये कह सकते हो कि आपके अपने प्रेफरेंस होते हैं. कुछ लोग को बात करना ज़्यादा पसंद आता है. कुछ लोग जल्दी में रहते हैं थोड़ा.
Wow. Any other
तीसरा?
weird? Oh तीसरा.
तीसरा तो वो तो बहुत ही खतरनाक था.
अच्छा.
वेपर में वी यूज्ड टू गेट वेरी गुड क्राउड,
Okay.
बहुत अच्छे लोग आते जो डिसेंट पीपल, बट म्यूजिक हमारा लेट तक चलता था। उस दिन एक ग्रुप आया हुआ था, उसका म्यूजिक नहीं चलाया, और वो पहली बार हुआ, मतलब म्यूजिक नहीं चलाया, उस बंदे ने म्यूजिक बंद कर दिया।
Okay.
आई वेंट टू कन्फ्रंट हिम कि भाई म्यूजिक क्यों नहीं बंद किया। उतने में ही punched me,
He punched
broke
you.
my glass, and I got this big what you can say scar on my like below my eyes balls.
Oh shit.
और नेक्स्ट डे क्या था, 31st।
Oh my god.
उस दिन मेरे को पहली बार लाइफ में मेकअप करके जॉब पे जाना पड़ा।
मेरे को लगा नहीं था that you must have gone through such experience.
अरे ये हुआ है दिस वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ डीजेस को क्या है, यू आर ऑलवेज प्रोटेक्टेड विद बाउंसर्स एंड ऑल,
हाँ,
so no
even-
one can touch you, you are untouchable।
Yeah.
Actually
Yeah.
you are untouchable in a club।
I was about to ask you, no bouncers that time.
ना उस दिन क्या हुआ, अनफॉर्चुनेटली बाउंसर्स 2 ही थे। नेक्स्ट डे न्यू ईयर ईव था, 31st था, तो थोड़ा
छुट्टी वुट्टी
छुट्टी मतलब था, मतलब कम था, तो लोगों को उम्मीद भी नहीं थी कि इतना क्राउड टर्न अप करेगा, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट डे पार्टी लोगों को करना ही है और एक्सपेंसिव होता है 31st, तो पीपल यूजुअली अवॉइड गोइंग ऑन
30th.
हाँ 30th। और उस दिन बहुत सुपर पैक हो गया, बाउंसर्स हमारे यहाँ नीचे रहते थे, और मैंने भी कोई झगड़ा नहीं किया था, तो मुझे भी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि बाउंसर बुलाने की। मैंने उसको बोला ही था कि तुमने म्यूजिक बंद क्यों किया। आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग योर ट्रैक, बट रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर एंजॉयिंग, यू कैन नॉट शट डाउन द म्यूजिक, एनीवेज यू कैन नॉट टच माय इक्विपमेंट। उतने में ही punched me, went through my glass, that glass made a deep cut under my eyes balls।
Oh shit.
फिर मेरे को मेकअप करके जाना पड़ा 31st को। बस
Okay.
यही 3।
Weirdest से harshest.
हाँ, तो ये weird ही था, because in a place like वेपर जहाँ पे कभी झगड़ा ही नहीं होता था,
हाँ.
we used to get decent people, everyone is so
That was the
friendly।
least unexpected.
हाँ,
thing.
very unexpected, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कभी मतलब कि ऐसा भी नहीं हुआ कि क्लब को भी किसी को मारने की जरूरत पड़ी, लोग ही अच्छे आते थे, गुड पीपल।
You were at the wrong place at the.
हाँ, वो होता है बस, तो वही weird experience था।
What is music for you?
You cannot define this actually। Music is a very important thing for not for me only, for everyone। हो सकता है 1-2 लोग कोई होगा ऐसा जो मतलब कि
गाने नहीं
1 out of million जिसको नहीं पसंद आता होगा म्यूजिक,
ऐसा कोई हो सकता है?
हो सकता है बिकॉज यू नो वी आर ह्यूमन, सबके अपने अपने चीज होता है, तो हो सकता है कि कोई 1 in a million होगा, जो 1 in a million होगा जिसको म्यूजिक नहीं पसंद आता होगा, बट फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल म्यूजिक इज समथिंग दैट कनेक्ट्स योर सोल टू एवरीथिंग।
Every scenario,
Yeah.
every.
If you're in good mood, you would like to listen music. If you're in bad mood, you would like to listen music.
Yeah.
If you are feeling creative, you will try to create music. So, music.
If you're broke,
हाँ,
you feel like playing music.
हाँ, it happens.
Like
Broke as in
broke.
अच्छा, I thought you were talking about broken heart.
Ah, that too.
Nah, that is not possible. I know. I've been watching you.
You were watching.
Yeah, not stalking you, but
DJ Saurav knows everything.
about friendship. So now we are back with the music. For me, music is something. Look, for me, it's bread and butter. I'm telling you, like
Yeah.
it's my profession now.
Yeah.
But for me, music is the only thing I wanted to do. The only thing I am concerned about when it comes to passion. Everyone can say music is my passion, and yes, it is for them. But for me also, it's my passion. But when it comes to profession, if you think about doing something, if you want to achieve something, music is the one thing I want to do it. I want to do in it. Like if I want to do something big in my life, or if I want to gain something, I want to gain it through music. So music is almost everything for me when it comes to profession, passion. Even in my leisure, I like to listen to music. While driving, I listen to music. When I feel bad, I listen to music. I feel good, I listen to music. For me, music is something that connects me to the environment outside.
Very well said definition of music will be now available on Wikipedia by DJ Saurav. So imagine if you had the key to save the world. Apocalypse वाला scenario है. and the only way you can save the destruction of the earth is by playing 3 songs.
3 songs.
Right? Imagine कि मतलब एस्ट्रॉइड जा रहे हैं, सब कुछ जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, आपका डीजे का सेट है और आपके पास 3 गाने हैं चूज करने के लिए, and you're saving the earth.
Okay.
What would those 3 songs be?
So basically you're asking me the 3 tracks which I believe are the best.
That can save the world.
Save the world.
Yes. You're in that scenario.
Stairway to Heaven by Led Zeppelin.
Okay.
The End by The Doors.
Okay.
The end is not about the end.
Okay.
The sound may sound like it's all about the end, but it's not about the end.
Okay.
So The End by The Doors. And third track is Deep Purple's Sweet Chinatown.
These are the 3 tracks that is going to save humanity.
But ain't gonna do that. I'm telling you.
But you never know, भाई. वो
No,
frequencies ऐसी ही होंगी or something.
Only spirituality can
Save humanity. One more ज्ञान. You're a monk, yeah. Literally.
No.
In a DJ's body.
No, it's a fact. Fact. Music is a very spiritual thing.
Yeah, it is.
It's a very spiritual thing.
So being in the industry for so long, if you had to give one advice to a creative person or to any other person, how would you motivate them?
Look, I believe everyone is creative. And they have this thing in them. It's just they have to realize it. And the realization can come from anywhere, anytime. And I'm sure I'm not the one who can make them realize this. But they have to look around themselves. And yeah, they'll have to analyze what they want to do with their life. Because people used to tell me that I'm good with the studies. It's just that I don't concentrate on that. But in the very beginning of my life, I told my parents that I don't want to study. They said कि नहीं तुम्हें डिग्री तो लेनी पड़ेगी. Typical Indian mindset. वरना शादी कैसे होगी?
Yeah.
So that's what happened. मैं कहा ठीक है, okay, I'll do it. But I never wanted to express studying and go into engineering and all. My sister, she's an engineer. My brother, he's an engineer.
Okay.
I'm
After
the least
that,
educated guy in my whole family.
I know what you feel.
This is what happened. But I said no, I want to go and see. I want to explore music. Then my father, he said, okay, if you want to do this, just do it. Don't leave it in between. This is something which will have to stick around. If you want to do something, just make sure you are not going to leave it in between. Then then you will need no motivation. Like you will not need anyone to tell you that you have to do this. You don't have to do this. Just make sure it's there in your mind that you have to do this. Like you cannot leave it in between. तो मोटिवेशन वो अंदर से ही आ जाएगी. आपको किसी की जरूरत नहीं. यू विल नॉट हैव टू वॉच एनी मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस. आजकल बहुत यूट्यूब पे पॉपुलर है, लोग बहुत ज्ञान बांट रहे हैं कि भैया मोटिवेशनल वीडियो चल रहे हैं. ट्रस्ट में वो हर वही बात बोलते हैं ना जो एक बंदा ना खुद भी बैठ के सोचेगा ना तो वो भी यही बात सोचेगा. व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग ऑन यूट्यूब आर लाइक वेरी ऑब्वियस थिंग्स दे आर टेलिंग.
I believe that those are not the people you should be listening to. If they have not gone through experiences.
नहीं वैसे भी आपको सुनने की जरूरत क्या. वो वही बात बोल रहे हैं ना जो आपको करना ही चाहिए. बाय डिफॉल्ट करना चाहिए. अगर आप बैठ के खुद सोचोगे ना तो आपका भी दिमाग यही बोलेगा कि मुझे यही करना चाहिए. यार कोई एक चोर ना चोरी करता है तो उसको पता होता है कि वो चोरी कर रहा है. उसको एक आदमी को बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि तू चोरी कर रहा है. वो कर रहा है क्योंकि वो कर रहा है. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू मोटिवेशन इज देयर इनसाइड यू. बस आपको उस पर थोड़ा सा जिद्दी होना पड़ेगा कि भैया मेरे को ना ये आज मैं विंडोज चलाता था, अब मैक चलाना है मुझे, तो मैक चलाना है. तो वो कैसे भी मरते खपते यार आप सीख ही लो. तो यू डोंट नीड एनीवन टू मोटिवेट. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि आपको जो करना है वो करोगे तो वो मोटिवेशन अपने आप बन ही जाएगी. ये तो बहुत वो है आजकल देखते हैं मोटिवेशन वीडियोज एंड ऑल, बट दे से वेरी ऑब्वियस थिंग्स व्हिच यू शुड डू योरसेल्फ.
Alright, this was DJ Saurabh, but wait, we have something more. We have a rapid fire round coming next after the break. Break the any sponsor, any good. Okay, now guys, it is time for our next segment of the show. Your favorite segment of the show, the segment of the show which you love and adore, and the segment of the show that we have copied from Karan Johar. Not. इसको हमने दूसरा नाम दिया है. The name of this segment is called Bullet Train Made in India Question Round. It is just like the rapid fire round, but much faster, much quicker. पिछले वाला 15 मिनट चला था, अब देखते हैं ये वाला कितनी देर चलता है. Alright, so I will be giving you questions and you have to answer the questions very quickly. Why? Because you can win Little Hearts.
Oh, great.
Or
I love hearts.
you can win Cornetto के chips.
अरे वाह.
And for the bumper prize, India Gate दूबड़ चावल.
आपको कैसे पता चला मैं बिहारी हूँ?
I didn't know. I thought कि vegetarian चावल, you know. तो
नहीं, आप लोग समझोगे ये बिहारी है, पक्का चावल खाता
नहीं
है.
ऐसा वेजिटेरियन के हिसाब से हाँ मैंने सोचा था. तो चावल इज गुड यार.
चावल.
So what are you aiming for? कौन सा क्या जीतना चाहोगे?
हाँ तो सब लेके जाना.
If he is very
Prime
good,
Master Gogo आया, कुछ तो लेके जाऊंगा नहीं.
if he is very good, he will get everything. He will get the little hearts, cheese and the चावल.
तब तो कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. Not good.
नहीं you're good. You're good. I know it for.
हमेशा नीचे तक बात आता था मैं स्कूल में.
मेरी अब आपको कॉन्फिडेंस दिखानी पड़ेगी.
अच्छा.
Alright, चलो. Are you ready? You have to be. Okay. So, first question. Name these English songs that have been translated in Hindi. ठीक है? हम आपके ऊपर पत्थर मारेंगे, हम आपके ऊपर पत्थर मारेंगे. हम आपके ऊपर पत्थर मारेंगे, हम आपके ऊपर पत्थर मारेंगे.
ठीक है बात.
Think.
मतलब कि अच्छा ये गाना इंग्लिश में है.
हाँ ये इंग्लिश में है. आप ये हिंदी में है. ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग इंग्लिश का है.
अच्छा
हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करा.
ये ऐसा हिंदी में गाना है सच में?
इंग्लिश का गाना है.
अच्छा. जिसको आपने ट्रांसलेट कर दिया हिंदी में कर दिया. हम आप पे पत्थर मारेंगे.
हम आपके ऊपर पत्थर मारेंगे. हम आपके ऊपर पत्थर मारेंगे. आंसर नहीं है वहाँ पे.
नो आइडिया.
नो आइडिया. कम ऑन थिंक यार. हम
वी. हाँ.
यू आर वेरी क्लोज. हॉट.
हम आपके ऊपर ना.
हाँ.
तो
We-
ऑन यू. वी थ्रो स्टोन ऑन यू.
Other
we gonna throw stone on you. हाँ.
Okay, the answer was we will
rock you. हाँ ये बात थोड़ा अच्छा है. ऐसे खेल रहा हूँ.
खेलना पड़ेगा.
We will rock you.
All right. This is the last.
मतलब फ्रेडी मैर्क्यूरी को पहले बात हो जाए कि रॉक को लिटरली रॉक लेगा बेचारा.
यार मैं रॉक को ना रॉक कर सकता था बट यार थोड़ा देसी
रॉक
touch.
करते थे मतलब पत्थर.
Okay. बच्चा ओ बच्चा नो. बच्चा
बेबी तो नहीं है जस्टिन बीबर.
Yes, very nice. He got it right.
चलो.
It's Baby by Justin Bieber. Baby no. बच्चा ओ.
मुझे उस लेवल पे जाना पड़ेगा गानों को पकड़ने के लिए.
कोई नहीं अब ये राउंड खत्म हो चुका
ये
है गानों.
बहुत डेंजरस राउंड.
All right. To the following people, which are Nora Fatehi, Jacqueline Fernandez, and Alia Bhatt, who would you dedicate the song to?
मतलब one person or
One person.
and one song.
Yeah.
I would dedicate a track to Jackie.
Which song? Which song?
Hot in Here.
It's okay.
Nelly.
Yes, it's getting hot in here. मौसम भी change हो गया.
Hmm.
All right. Your favorite artist?
Jim Morrison.
Jim Morrison. All right. Your favorite singer?
Jim Morrison.
Jim Morrison. Okay. Do you have a favorite band?
The Doors.
The Doors. All right. If I had the chance to travel the world with one musician, who would it be with? Don't say Jim Morrison.
Living or dead? Or could be
Anybody.
anyone.
Yeah.
Jimmy Page.
Okay. Skrillex or Martin Garrix?
Like personally, I don't love any of
them.
Any of their music. EDM, dubstep is not my kind of.
Okay, but out if you had to choose.
Because I play a lot of Martin Garrix, so
Martin Garrix.
of course.
Okay.
थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आता है उसका music.
Tiesto or Steve Aoki?
Tiesto for sure.
Tiesto?
Yeah.
Okay. The Weeknd or Justin Bieber?
The Weeknd. There's no question in it.
Really?
Yes, The Weeknd. Yes.
Yeah, मेरे को लग रहा है The Weeknd is...
I feel him is one of the only few dark artists of our generation, like the newer generation.
True. I like him also.
His voice is like absolutely great.
Okay. Marshmello or DJ Snake?
DJ Snake.
DJ Snake. Alright. Who out of these are your favorite talk show hosts? Kapil Sharma, Jimmy Fallon, or Silent Stuff?
Nah, Silent Stuff.
Yes!
I'm telling you.
Yes! Kapil Sharma, you have nothing on me. Jimmy Fallon.
No, I don't watch them actually.
हाँ.
I watch him.
हाँ.
I follow.
He watches me only. देखो ये होती है तारीफ एंड ये होता है टैलेंट जो आप देख रहे हो, ठीक है? क्या राउंड का नाम क्या था? हाँ, Bullet Train Made in India question round. This is my invention. Nobody had that much brain capacity. If you had the opportunity to collab with one of the artists, okay, if you had the opportunity to collab with one artist, who would it be with?
Right now. Carlos Santana.
All right. Your dream of destination to play at. Your dream destination to play at.
I don't have any such dream. Because I believe I'll go where my life will take me to. There's no such thing. Seriously. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे लगेगा कैसे बोल रहा हूँ मैं, but seriously कभी मैंने इस एंगल से सोचा ही नहीं कि मुझे वहाँ जाके प्ले करना है.
Okay.
I'm playing music. मुझे जहाँ मौका मिल रहा है, I'm loving it.
Alright.
But हाँ, म्यूजिक में वो वाइब होनी चाहिए, लोग होने चाहिए. रेस्टोरेंट में खड़े होकर नहीं प्ले कर सकते.
Alright, very honest answer. Alright, last question. 3 words to describe yourself.
Me.
Yeah. You.
Me DJ.
Those are letters, यार. Those are not words.
Word.
हाँ, video disc jockey, but
नहीं.
यही मैच तो ये आपको प्राइस चावल नहीं मिलने वाला.
चावल नहीं मिलेगा उसमें.
नहीं. Three genuine words
to describe myself.
Yeah.
I don't have words. I'm that big.
Oh!
Yeah.
Popping pills. Pass. Okay. No 3 words. Only VDJ. Video disc
Pass.
jockey. Alright. Now it is time to decide what gift will he win. Will he win the little hearts? Will he win the Natos ka packet? Or will he win 2 भर के चावल?
कुछ तो लेके जाऊंगा. Cry Master Gogo.
Drum rolling. Tick 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 tick. Congratulations, you won everything. Yeah, you won the little hearts. You won the cheese, nachos.
सब कुछ मिल गया मेरे को.
हाँ, and you won the चावल also.
आज तो नींद ही नहीं आने वाली.
आज बनेंगे बिरयानी नहीं, वेज बिरयानी.
आज मैं बनाऊंगा खीर.
वो थिंकिंग भाई, खीर कभी सोच नहीं सकते थे कि चावल.
आज मैं बनाऊंगा खीर केसर डाल के.
Congrats buddy.
Congrats.
Very nice.
अच्छा, फ्राइडे मैंने मिस नहीं किया.
हाँ, वरना ये सब चीजें आप
कहाँ मिलती?
नहीं मिलती. बहुत मतलब सोच समझ.
पीनट खा के हालत खराब हो गई.
Them nuts.
अगली बार मेरे को डोरिटोस चाहिए.
हाँ, ये गलत हो गया. जब मैं लेके आया था he said कि I like Doritos and
उस दिन हम यही खा रहे थे.
मेरे को उस दिन का कुछ याद नहीं. Alright, Saurabh, thank you for coming on to the show. I hope you like this experience.
Absolutely. Yes.
Please subscribe to the channel. Comment down below on how you like the show. Go follow him on Instagram, and I'm definitely sure that you will see him playing somewhere in the Delhi NCR sometime soon. And for private parties and inquiries, you can go and contact him on his Instagram.
Oh, business PR.
Very nice. Okay. Till then, again, Saurabh, thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
Subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below. Alright guys, till then, please subscribe क्योंकि रोजी रोटी चलानी है. Comment करो, like करो, please. Alright, and go follow this guy right now. He's an amazing dude. Okay, till then, do whatever you're doing. I'm not trying to copy Salman Khan.